because of personal and physical limitations. And letter G, together with the Board of Trustees, have you made an annual review of the parsonage to ensure proper maintenance? Yes, with the church council. And letter B, evaluation process as a committee. You are to evaluate your pastor and the church program. Are you aware of each program? What are your goals this year? I think our pastor is in the best position to talk about this. Let us just reserve this for him. Okay? And that's all.
Okay po, maraming pong salamat, ma'am. So, sige po. Wala po idea. It has been moved and seconded that we accept the report of PSPRC. Okay po, meron po tayong gustong alamin pa. Sige po. Pastor.
I would like to inform the council that the president has enrolled in PCO taking the PhD program within the school.
Okay po. So,
Hindi pa po nila
ay,
alam, yes.
hindi pa po nila alam. Okay po. Kailan po kayo nag-enroll next? Ay, aman ago. Okay po.
Good news, Pastor.
Po. Okay, it's a good news. Tawag dito, it's a part of his continuing education po, or his promotion. Tapos ng DS, baka maging bishop siya pag dating araw. Okay po, so
Now we know.
po, is there, ano po, tawag dito, kailangan ba ng support? Yes? No problem. Okay, sige po. Okay po, meron pa po? Okay, so, lahat po ng questions ng four po ng SPLC ay nasagot po ni Madam, including po doon sa kanila po workers' compensation and salaries. Kung titignan po natin, doon po sa bracket po ng kanila po admin ay yung mandated, no? Mandated salary ng conference, yung minimum, ilang pa sa pa po yung minimum. Okay po, so good. Okay po, so 18. Okay po, so good, maganda po. Okay po, even the deaconesses, okay po, they're receiving 15 sa CE, then KE is 14,000. Okay po. So, siguro ito po ay nakabase doon sa years of service po. Okay po.
Ay, po seniority.
Na-over din po nila. Ano po? Opo, years of service. Like Burgos UMC, years of service din po ang pinag-aanan po nila ng salary ng mga workers. Mas naman naman siya like KJP. Talagang nauna. Opo. Ayun ba sinabi? Kaya pala tumawa si Nino kanina. Tama ba? Okay po, sige po. So, yung continuing education po, marami pong salamat sa council officers, sa inyo po ma'am, dahil po nakaten po ang ating pong workers na AMC, Fathers Education Conference. Okay po. At sinunod niyo po ang lahat ng ano po mga expenses. Maraming pong salamat. Okay po. So, yearly po na yun na ginagawa ng annual conference ba yan? Ito po, Pag-Episcopal area for the continuing education po ng lahat po ng church workers. Okay po. Sige po, maraming pong salamat. Meron pa po? Opo. Amen. Talaga naman po. Okay po. Sayang na po, nung ako'y destino dito, busy busy si madam sa ano. Opo, active pa po kasi sila principal doon eh.
You came quite early, Pastor. Yeah, totoo yan.
Okay po, sige po. So maraming salamat sa lahat po.